morning grade 10. Let's go to second question from set 3.4 where we are solving word problems related to applications of AP, that is arithmetic progression. So question 2 is, a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments. That means he is going to repay 8,000 plus 1,360. So this is the amount which he has borrowed and this is the interest which he has to pay. So at the end, this is the total amount, addition of these two. That is amount plus interest. This can be acting as a principal and this is the interest. So both together forms 9,360. So this is the total amount which he has to repay. Alright. So, and this amount he has agreed to pay in 12 installments. So, number of installments are 12. So, we have n is equal to 12. And what is the total amount he is going to pay in 12 installments? It is 9,360. So, sum of all the 12 installments, therefore S12 will be 9,360. Okay, have you understood this? Why 12 installments? 12 installments, it has been given that he has agreed to pay in 12 installments. So, next condition is that each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. That means whatever amount he is going to pay in first installment, second installment will be less than the first installment by 40. Third installment will be less by 40 compared to the second installment. That means the difference between any two consecutive installments is constant, which is minus 40, alright, and therefore this becomes AP. Okay, so this is an arithmetic progression with difference is minus 40. Let A be the first amount in the first installment, that is A. Total sum of all the installment S12 is 9,360. And n, number of installments are 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12. So, what information we have? N is equal to 12. First installment, first term T1 is equal to A. S12 is 9,360 and difference is minus 40. Okay. Now, once we have proved that it is an AP because difference is constant of minus 40. So, we know Sn, sum of all terms is n by 12, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, how many installments are there? N is equal to 12. So, I am writing S12 is equal to 12 by 2 in bracket 2a plus, how much is n? 12. 12 minus 1 into d is how much? D is equal to minus 40. Okay. Now, what is sum of all the installments? It comes out to be 9,360. So, 9,360 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6, 2a plus 12 minus 1 will be 11 into minus 40. We don't know what is the first installment. That is what we have to calculate. We have to find what is the first installment and what is the last installment. They have asked, find the amount of the first and the last installment. So, what we got? 9,360 is equal to 6, 2a, and calculate this, it comes out to be minus 440. So, 9,360 is equal to 6 in bracket 2a minus 440. Now, you shift this 6 over this side, it will be 9,360 upon 6, which is equal to 2a minus 440. Divide this, you get 1,560. Which is equal to 2a minus 440. So, what will be 2a? 440 shifted from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes plus. So, 1,560 plus 440 will be equal to 2a. Add up this two, it comes out to be 2,000. So, 2,000 is equal to 2a. So, what will be a? 2,000 upon 2, which is equal to 1,000. So, his first installment among 12 would be 1,000. Okay. Now, what will be the last installment? Each time subtract 40 from the preceding installment, or we can find last installment as Tn. So, Tn is, we have formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Number of installments are 12. D is minus 80. A, just now we have found a is equal to 1000. Okay, so we are substituting all the values. 1000 plus 12 minus 1 is again 11. This is minus 1. Okay, it is 12. It should be clear. 12. Okay, 12 minus 1. So it comes out to be 11 into minus 40, and therefore 1000 minus again this product is minus 440, which comes out to be 560. Is this clear? Okay. So first installment is 1000 rupees. Each installment is decreasing by 40 rupees. Like this, last installment will be 560. And if you add up all these 12 installments, it will come out to be 9360. I hope the problem is clear. Let's go to the another question. Let's go to the third problem. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested rupees 5,000. In the second year, 7,000. And in third year, 9,000 and so on. Find the total amount he invested in 12 years. So very easy problem, a very straightforward problem. Simply you have to find sum of the money invested in 12 years. Alright. So in first year 5,000, 7,000, 9,000 like this, so on for 12 years. So it is but obvious difference between any two consecutive terms is 2,000. So D is 2,000. And therefore it is an AP. Once it is an AP, you know first term A is 5,000. Not 500, it is 5,000. And N, how many terms are there? 12, because he is investing for 12 years. Now we have to find total amount invested in 12 years, which is S12. But what is our formula for Sn? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So just substitute. S12 will be, N is 12, no? So 12 by 2. A is how much? 5,000. So 2 into 5,000 plus 12 minus 1 and D is 2,000. So what you get? S12 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. 5,000 into 2 is 10,000. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 2,000. Now 11 into 2,000 is 22. So in this bracket you have 10,000 plus 22. 6 as it is. So 6 into 10 plus 22 is 32. So 10,000 plus 22,000 is 32,000. 32,000 into 6 becomes 1,92,000. So Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. Very easy, no? And straightforward also. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Let's go to the fourth problem. Question 4 is, there is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in first row, 22 seats in second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find the total number of seats in the auditorium. Now see, if this side is the screen, this is the first row. Let us take it as little semicircular shape. In first row, suppose there are 20 seats. In second row, 1 seat is increased, no? So 2 seats are increased. So this is your second row. Then third row, fourth row. Like this, there are 27 rows. So here there are 20 seats. Here there are 22 seats. Are you understanding me? So like this. So this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Like this, we have to find how many seats are there in the 15th row, as well as what are the total number of seats in the auditorium. That means you have to add all the seats from first row to 27th row. In short, we have to find S27 and T15. T15 is number of seats in the 15th row. Like fourth, somewhere here will be 15th row. So how many total seats are there? That is what you have to find. Now see students, 20, 22, 24. That means there is difference of 2 which is constant. So this is an AP with common difference as 2 and first term as 20. So we have to find T15. So what is the formula to find Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. So T15 will be A is 20 plus 15 minus 1 and D is 2. I have just substituted A value, D value and N value. Here N is 15 in first case. Alright. So I am writing here for this N is equal to 15. Okay. In this case. So we have 20 plus 14. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28. So 20 plus 28 is 48. So In 15th row, suppose here is the screen, alright, and from here the auditorium is filling towards back side. So 15th row somewhere over here, there will be 48 seats. Alright. Now, total number of seats in 27 rows is nothing but S27. Sum of all the seats of all the rows till 27. So, S27. So, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A will be same, d will be same, n is going to change. In this case, n was 15. Okay, in this case now, n is equal to 27. So, just substitute. S27 will be 27 upon 2, 2 into 20 plus 27 minus 1 into 2. So, what you get? 27 upon 2 into 20 into 2 is 40 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 into 2. 26 into 2 is 52, 40 plus 52 is 92. So, you have 27 upon 2 into 92. Divide by 2, 2 ones are here and 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So, you have 27 into 46 which is 1242. So, in all, what is the capacity of the auditorium? 1242 and seats on 15th row 48. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you.